Hello guys, do you know that your phone constantly tracking what you do on it and listen to all your conversation? It can compromise your privacy. It monitor which apps do you use and what you write and what you want to search on the internet. I am going to show you how to disable 3 features on your smartphone because they quickly drain your battery and slow down your smartphone. So they run in the background. And worst of all, they monitor you. If you are little bit aware for our privacy, then watch this video completely. Guys, in this video we will disable 3 settings that can leak your data. So guys, first is personalizing using data. Let's move to main setting in your smartphone and scroll down and click on Google, and after this click on all services, then scroll down to privacy and security. Click on personalize using shared data. This feature allow applications that are on this list to monitor everything you do on your smartphone. It also drain your battery faster and slow down your smartphone. So I recommend disable all these applications and go back. Now guys, move to second step, uses as diagnostic. Click on this guys. This feature also collect information about how you use your smartphone, what application you use, and send it to Google Uncle. So disable this feature. Guys, last but not the least is ads. Guys, click on ads. Guys, this feature also collect information about you, including what you write on your smartphone and what search on the internet, and even listen to all your conversation using your smartphone microphone to show your personalized advertising. Have you ever noticed that after talking about something near your smartphone, your conversation related advertisement is suddenly appears? This happens because this feature is enabled on your smartphone. And now we'll change it. So first and click on reset advertising ID to delete already collected information about you, and click on confirm. Then click on delete advertising ID so that this feature will not longer track you. So click on delete advertising ID and go to the home screen. After changing this setting, your phone becomes faster than previous speed and your smartphone battery can be enhanced and nothing can collect your data. If video is little bit helpful for you, then subscribe now. Guys, if you have watched this video till now, then there is a bonus tip for you. This is the bonus tip you got in this video. You must watch this video. I meet you there. Bye.